Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Q.Excel. Believe it or not, what you're looking at is a real web application. But here's the kickers. There is no complex backend, no database setup, and zero hosting fees. Everything you see right here is powered entirely by Google Sheet. It's simple. Let's see it in action. I'll add a new customer, fill in the details, and hit save. Okay, as you can see here, the data is pushed directly into our spreadsheet. No database configuration, no servers to manage, and absolutely no page tool required. It's the ultimate hack for building your own business tools. And today, I'm going to show you how to build it. Alright, step 1, we need a place for our data to live. So we're going to create a simple structure in Google Sheet like this. Think of this sheet as our backend database. We have named this sheet a customer. We've got column for a timestamp, a unique customer ID, name, email, company, phone, status, and notes. It's clean, it's organized, and it's completely free. Now that our database is ready, it's time to bring it to life. To do that, we're going to head over to the extension, your extension, and open the app script. Here, we'll write the backend logic to connect everything together. Once you're in the app script editor, we'll start with the code.ks file here. This is a heart of our backend. And I have prepared a simple script that handles everything from the fetching customer data to generating unique IDs and saving new entries. You don't need to write this from scratch. I have provided the link to this code in the description. Just copy and paste it here. And very important, make sure to copy and paste your spreadsheet ID right here. This ensures our script connects to our specific Google Sheet. Okay, and now the backend is set up. Uh, we need a beautiful interface for users. To handle that, I've already created index.html file here, and I've added some custom CSS to make it look modern and clean. Trust me, and the boarding spreadsheet here, and this file handles everything. The input from the dynamic data tables and the JavaScript that allow our website to talk to our Google Sheet in real time. If you want to try this out yourself, I put the full shortcut in the description so you can follow along easily. Okay, now it's time for the most exciting part, making our application live on the internet. To do this, we are going to click on the deploy and select new deployment here. Okay, under a select type, choose web app. Now, here is a case step. Make sure to change the access to anyone. This is what makes your application public, so anyone with the link can access it without needing to sign in. Once you hit deploy and authorize the permission, Google will give you a unique URL. And just like that, your application is officially public and ready to use. Okay, Now for the moment of truth. Let's add a new customer and see how fast it sings. I'll fill in the name, email, status, and hit save. Okay, look at that. The data appears instantly in our table. And if we check our Google Sheet here, it's already there. But if you have 100 of customer, no problem. The search filter is lightning fast. You can search by name or a company or even filter by status. It's instant and makes managing your database breezy. If you need to change something or data, just click edit. Okay, let's change here. Our database refreshed with last info. No page reload here. And if you need to remove a record, just hit delete. It's safe, it's secure, and it's keep your database clean. You've just built a complete web apps using nothing but Google Sheet. In the next video, I'll show you how to take this to the next level with the export to the Excel and PDF features. And if there's anything else you want to learn, just leave in comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.